How do we simplify square root 1200? Well, let's begin with a factor tree because that will help us find all the all the prime numbers multiplied together that equal 1200. So we can begin with 120 times 10, and let's move over to the 10. 5 times 2 is 10, and they are both prime. Now with the 120, how about we just go 40 times 3. 3 is prime, so let's circle that. Then we have 10 times 4. That is a 4. I don't know why I circled it. It's not prime. And then 4, let me rewrite it, is 2 times 2. And they are both prime, so I'll circle them. And then we have 5 times 2. So now let's rewrite all the prime numbers underneath this square root sign. And we need to be careful so we make sure we get this properly. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So let me write those. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it looks like we have 1, 2 5's. 1, 2. And it looks like we have 1, 3. So now we have all the prime numbers underneath the square root sign. Since it is a square root, it means you have two numbers multiplied together, so we can pull out pairs. Here's a pair of 2's. Here's a pair of 2's. And here's a pair of 5's. And we have square root 3 left under the square root sign. Now we can multiply these numbers. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 4 times 5 is 20. Square root 3. So there we go. That's 1200 simplified. Square root 1200 simplified. Thanks for watching.